The "we're having trouble making sure it's you" PayPal error appears during login, password reset, or verification due to security flags. It blocks confirmation codes or identity checks. Quick troubleshooting steps: clear browser or app cache and cookies. In your browser, go to Settings, Privacy, clear browsing data, select cache and cookies, restart and retry login. Use incognito or private mode. Open paypal.com in incognito to bypass extensions or VPN interference. Switch network or device. Try mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. VPNs often trigger this. Use another device or the PayPal app. Wait 24 to 72 hours. Many users report the block lifts automatically after a cooldown period, especially after multiple failed attempts. Update phone or email. Log in from a working session, if possible. Settings: phone or email, re-add or verify your number or email for better code delivery. Disable VPN proxy. Turn off any VPN or privacy extensions. Contact PayPal support. Use in-app chat if logged in elsewhere. Twitter @AskPayPal or phone support. Provide details. No login needed for some channels. Avoid repeated failed logins to prevent further flags.